ورسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Good morning to my respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Today the topic of my speech is education. Education means gaining knowledge. As we all know, knowledge is power. Education is the tool that helps us to understand life. It is the tool that keeps us happy. Education can change one's life completely. A child education begins at home. Education is a fundamental right of every person. Educated people make an educated society. Only educated person can take a nation to progress. In short, education is a key to success in life. Thanks.
शाह बना रहे
मैं फिर मुझे और